What's going on, YouTube? We're back at it again to another BTS video. We're out here today at Silver Lake. We're actually shooting a commercial right now. Yo, as you can see, we brought the whole shebang in here. So, I don't know, like 5 cameras, probably. He got his drone in here, 2 cinema cameras, and some gimbal, photo cam. My ultra wide angle, bought it too. So might need it. Brandon here is about to release one of the dopest trailer unit for 2026. Check it out. If you don't already know, I'm Cheese, one of the creative directors here at MOVISION Studios. And we also got Charles, another creative director and a shooter. And we got Roy, our gaffer for the project, and our BTS guy. Just behind the camera right now, and it's killing it. We're just gonna go check. He'll show us around what we need to move and stuff like that. And it's a little tight, so, and then we need to open everything up. We're gonna make it look clean in here and walk around and kind of like take out everything. It's 11:30 right now, so.
Right on schedule.
Yeah, we just set up all the lights. We just clean it up a little bit. Brandon put some white curtains, like a backdrop. You don't cut this when I open it? Okay, so left hand, left, turn.
We're gonna do two shots. One like.
Now we're just gonna take some detail shots of all the features of the new unit here. And yeah, check it out. We just finished filming all the features, and now we're filming the interior. And in the interior, there's 3 different settings in there. We just finished 2 settings, and now we're setting up the office. Check it out. Look at this. And we're gonna do some match cut. So empty, then bed, and an office. So.
From here in a pan, but
you want me to get inside there and sit on my elbows like this with a big smile? With your tan up?
I think that drone shot that Cheese was thinking about, that's the way to go.
I'm gonna be the main cam when you start. Apparently it has a lot of storage inside, so and it's new, so we gotta cover that too. Gonna open everything up, get some aerials. No hour now though. That's about it. It's a wrap. Took us a little bit longer, like 2 hours longer than anticipated. It's because we did some extra stuff. It's cold outside though. Went outside a little bit and then it got cold real quick. This client, probably like one of my coolest client that align with our brand that we're trying to build here, because it's tactical and a lot of cool stuff, man. Charles, what do you think? What do you think about the shoot, man?
That was a fun shoot, man. Learned a lot of overlanding, trailer type of stuff,
Yeah.
and how efficiency when it comes to backcountry is key.
Yeah.
And tactical overland really just nails the
Functionality.
Yeah, nails it on the head, man.
Yeah.
A
And
lot of functionality.
earlier too, it's like it looks big when we're like kind of filming, and then once we seen it rolled out, it's freaking tiny, man. It's like
Yeah, it was
it
just.
didn't even look like we could fit in there.
It looked smaller than a truck,
Yeah.
and it looks so light. What did he say? Even a Subaru
Yeah.
could haul it around.
Maybe we're gonna haul it with our runner here, so
Yeah, that'd be sick.
we'll see, man. Like next time we'll see us, we'll be in the snow. So I'll see you outside.